Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to share your Google Drive link. So first of all we need to log into our Google Drive account and let's say that we want to share this folder right here. And by the way, these two methods work either if it's a folder or a file or a video, whatever it is, it works the same. So for this example I'm gonna be using this YouTube videos folder, and the first thing that we need to do is select the folder, and these two icons will appear right here. So the first one allow us to select several people or just one person, whatever is our case, and insert their email address right here. Doing so, they will have access to this file or folder. Then we have these general access settings that allow us to select either restrictor or anyone with the link. If we select anyone with the link, we could just send this link to any person and they will have access to that content only as a viewer. Obviously we can change this into either a commenter or an editor, but by default it's gonna be on the viewer option because anyone with the link otherwise could edit the folder or the file, whatever it is. Sometimes I leave it on restricted, especially if I'm working on with people on my team and I just want to share a file. I would just go ahead and insert their email address here and keep this on restricted, so they will only have access to that file and everyone else with the link won't be able to do anything. So this is the first method, and this second method is very similar to the other one, and as you can see the interface is the same, and it's actually what I just showed you guys. You would just have to copy the link after you grant access to anyone with the link, and you can choose either as a commenter or an editor. This is very common when you want to send a folder maybe with videos or files or something for your client to review. So this is a great option because sometimes you don't want to add their email address because they might not be familiar or whatever the reason is. It's way easier to just send them a link. So if you do copy link and go ahead on another tab and I'm gonna paste it, as you can see this is the link right here that they're gonna receive and they will be able to open that folder. So these are the two methods that I always use to share a file or a folder on my Google Drive with my clients or team members or whoever it is. Let me know guys if you have any other methods that you want to see. These are the two that I use the most, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. I will answer them as soon as possible, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.